Good morning everyone, I'm Cosmin and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another truck vlog. The weather seems to be back because the last few weeks it was so cold. Even now on the night time it's quite cold. It's like 9-10 degrees, but the last few weeks it was on the daytime like that. So today is 18th of September. Yeah, winter is coming, you know. And the clock is almost 12 o'clock. And today I have to drive for like 4 hours and 10 minutes one way and 4 hours and 10 minutes on the back to the depot. But the thing is, the farm, I've been twice. First time it was the worst experience, and I'll tell you why in a few seconds, and the second time it was okay. So we'll see what's happened now, what's gonna happen today, and yeah, I'm gonna keep in touch with you guys, so yeah, stay here. One way almost done. It's 1 hour and 7 minutes to the farm. And I said earlier that I had some bad experience on this farm. As I said, I've been here twice, and it was the first time. It was the second time I've been there. It was alright because there was another farm, like physically another farm. But the first one we have to load. It was exactly so. How you go from the main street, you turn right, and after they go like that, and the farm is exactly right here, and the lorry is long enough and it doesn't have enough space over there, so you have to move the lorry for a few times. You can't go like on the other farms, straight load the left side and after that turn around somewhere and come back for the right side. So on this one it was so tiny spaces, and yeah, I have to go back, go forward, go back, go forward, so reverse and all this stuff. So hopefully today is gonna be alright, as long as hopefully we're not going to load on this farm, so we're gonna load on the one that is nice. Even there is not that nice, but at least you have enough space, but not there's not enough space even there, but it's better than the first one. So on the second one, the problem is when they have to load the right side at the end, my truck is gonna stay like that on a hill. So yeah, but we'll see. It's a nice weather. Finally, 22 degrees shows me on a dashboard, but the last few weeks it was terrible. Raining, non-stop raining. It was raining for like 5 days without stop. It was, yeah. So I've got, today is, as I said, 18th, it's Wednesday, so that means I have to work tomorrow again, and after this I have 2 days off and come back to work on Sunday. And on this period I haven't recorded anything because I was working so many hours. I was sleeping in the cabin, but the thing is, the weather was not nice. It was raining, it was bad, and I wasn't in the mood to record. And if I want to do something, I wanted to do it as best as I can, not just to be done. For example, let's say if I'm in the mood to record something, I will. Even if I want to record something, even if I love to do it, sometimes, you know, the energy level and it doesn't help you, so you just don't have enough time to record, to edit and everything and post it. And I'm okay right now, but I was working so many hours and I had a lot of things to sort out, a part of my job. So, but everything is nice now, it's good. I'm not sure if I mentioned that before, but I think I did on the some videos before this, that when I moved from the UK to Germany, I still had a UK car, which is right-handed, and I bought a car from here. It was a cheap car just to commute from work to home and from home to work. And now I had to buy a second car because my wife works, and you know, my time is not like a fixed time, so it's not like I'm starting 7, finish 3, 4. No, for example, today I've been on the depot at 12. Yesterday I was off, an extra day off this week, but 2 days ago I start at 4, so you never know what time you start, and you never know what time you finish. So my wife can rely on my schedule, so to bring her to work and back to home. So we have to look for a new car now, to buy a second car, but this one must be an automatic car. And yeah, we're looking and searching for the perfect fit as an automatic car, good family car you can rely on, not like my one. My one has some problems, but it's okay as long as it brings me from home to work, from work to home. That's why I bought it. So yeah, and now I'm looking for the second car. So these are the kind of problems I have to sort, and you know, looking all the websites. And because my wife, when she was working the last weeks, our friends helped her with the transport, so you know, we need the second car. Nice weather, that's nice. Yeah, during this time I have a story to tell. I was driving a long route, but a long route sometimes means start a little bit earlier, like 5, 6 in the evening, go somewhere closer to the depot, as I did before, and after that come back to the depot, unload everything, and drive to the second stop, which is going to be loading tomorrow, but you need to take a break because it's far enough. You can't take it 2 ways with one driving program. So I've been to the first farm, and on my way back to the depot, I had for like 9 minutes I have to use the motorway, and it was dark, it was night, and when I came next to the depot, like 5 minutes from my motorway to go, our company is next to the motorway, it's like 2 minutes away from the motorway. So I've got 5 minutes left on the motorway next to the depot. It was dark and I was on the first lane, and I see that a light is coming on my way, but I was thinking it's like the normal cars on the other side. But the problem, it was a bicycle, and it was a bicycle on the wrong way. The guy, he was with the bicycle on the second lane over here. Well, not this motorway, the one next to the depot, but it was a bicycle on a motorway on the wrong way. I was on the first lane and he came on the second lane. My question is, if for example on that night I was like overtaking like I'm doing now, and this guy is coming with a bicycle on a motorway on the wrong way, my question is, what's going to happen? How can what should I do not to hit him or anything like that? What should I do not to hit him, or how can I avoid the accident? Because if a truck is on the first lane and I'm going on the second lane and a bike is coming, nobody expects that a bike to be on the motorway. You are not allowed on the motorway at all with the bike, especially on the wrong way. So my question is, how can I avoid, if I'm overtaking another truck, another lorry, and I'm on second lane, how can I avoid not to hit the bike and have this on my mind for the rest of my life, even if I know I'm not doing anything wrong. So since there, when I'm overtaking, I've got this picture on my mind of this bike coming on a wrong way on a motorway. That's unbelievable. I was completely shocked. I didn't understand what happened. And I was looking in the mirror, and behind me there was some small cars, and you know, small cars travel faster than the lorries. And one car, because I saw the lights, when they see the bike, they were going like right and left again, and which is so dangerous. Hopefully everyone is okay. Hopefully nothing happened. I wasn't looking on the internet to see if anything happened like that. If anything happened with the bike, with the bicycle, or with another cars, or any injuries or any incidents on the motorway on that night. But hopefully everyone is okay, and this guy who was with the bicycle on the motorway on the wrong way, in my opinion, should give some answers to the police, because you know, you put you put everyone on a danger. Because if I try to avoid you and hit another car, or I don't know, it's not good. Yeah, but I didn't expect that, and I was like, wow. A few days after this, I was constantly thinking about what happened, and it's still hard to believe. I've never experienced something like that. I was driving for a long time, not as a lorry driver, like a normal car driving in the UK, in Europe, in Germany, in mostly all the countries. And yeah, I've never seen something like that, and hopefully I'm not gonna see it in the future as well. But we'll see. I'm curious, which building do we load today? Hopefully it's not the first one that we have to put the lorry. But we'll see. Kilometers, 55 minutes, and 1 hour left on my driving hours. Were shaking because of the wind. And you can see on my lorry that busy on the street. But we are on time, hopefully. Tomorrow I'll be back on this farm again, but not that early. Today I'm supposed to start loading from 6 to 7 because I'm the second driver, the second lorry, and the first one starts 5. And tomorrow I'll be the third one, but the loading time is 7, so it's quite late. But anyway, after that I'm 2 days off, which is cool. Oh, I forgot to say, almost 300 subscribers. That's nice. You know, it's like when you don't expect something and it's happened. It's nice. It's a very nice feeling, and I must say thank you very much for all of your support. It's really appreciated. And yeah, probably until the time I'm posting this video, it's gonna be 300. It's like 292 something like that. 292 subscribers, and it's nice. I know I said that before, but I'm thinking to start recording and posting more content. Usually I'm posting one video on a weekend when I have enough time to edit everything. It was Friday or Saturday, but I think I'm gonna start recording at least and post at least two videos per week. I know I said that before, but a lot of things came and I have to sort it out, and actually I haven't got enough time to record everything, to edit, because you know, you have to take the things and to sort them out in a special way. So responsibilities first, and after that, even if I like to record and talk to you guys and to edit everything, sometimes I just don't have time. Even if I have the 2 days off, I have to do a lot of things. I have to sort a lot of problems, so busy life. But I will try to organize them in a special way, that just to be like, have enough time to edit everything and have 2 videos per week. I think it's gonna be Tuesday or Wednesday and Friday or Saturday, something like that. I think it's a cool balance between them. Why we stay with the 80. And that's it, fully loaded. It was a nice loading. I supposed to start loading from 6 to 7, but 6:30 I've been done. Nice. It's now 4 hours to the depot, and perfect life. The problem is here because as you can see here, they are working on a road on a city. It's a small city, and the traffic is diverted, and it's not nice because you have tiny places to go. You're not allowed to go with the truck, but that's the only way you can go out, so all of the trucks are going through this. So let's see what can we expect from here. As long as it's almost 7 o'clock and should be busy, but it's okay. I wasn't loading on the bad building, to say it like that. It was the nice one. That's why everything is fast, because it's okay even if you don't have so much space to turn. When you, for example, my first colleague start loading on the right side, and after that he moved it for the left side, and I start left side loading and finish with the right side. So it's not enough space, but it's okay. But I think tomorrow, because tomorrow I'll be back here, yeah, tomorrow I think we're gonna load from that building, which is not nice. I'm not allowed to record anything on the farms or to take pictures to explain you the reason and to show you exactly why it's not nice, but yeah, that's it. It is what it is. If I was allowed, I was doing the whole process loading with the camera, but no, we are not allowed to record anything, so we have to respect that. And now let's see on this city how can we manage to go out. Yeah, exactly. Nice weather. It's not hot, it's not that warm, it's like 21 degrees. It says on the lorry. So basically here it's not nice with the truck, with the lorry, but there's no any other way you can get rid of this small city. So I have to spend like another 5 to 10 minutes because I'm not allowed to go straight. As you can see here, it's closed with the red. So let's see. Should be a traffic light. Yeah, there it is. And here you see in the front is not possible, and on the left when I came here another lorry was here. Oh, it's nothing here now, so let's do this. It's not nice, but it's okay. I didn't expect that to be that empty. When I came here it was a bit busy, and as I said, another lorry was there, so there's a tiny space. That's it. There is another traffic light, so I have to go on the right as much as possible, and in case another truck is coming, to give them some more space. So nothing should be perfect like that. Nice day. I'll be home earlier. Shows me that I'll be on the depot 11:15, which is nice. Bad. I think that was the difficult part, and from now is like just a normal road. Oh, hello cars. Perfect. Why it's my fault? Where do you want me to go with the lorry? These guys, man. Where do you want me to go more on the right? That's not possible. Especially I'm fully loaded. And especially I'm not like any other trucks on the road, because some of the people, they don't understand the difference between a normal lorry fully loaded and this lorry. Because if you have a normal lorry, all the weight is down, so you've got balance. But here, because we load turkeys are even up there on the last shelves, it's fully loaded. So if my truck is going right or left, for example on the motorway when they work, and it's like you have to go from your way to the wrong way, let's say like that, which is like you have to cross them, there's a little bit of is everything okay? Yeah, there's a little bit of a hill, so you have to climb and go back down. So I have to slow down as much as like 40-50 kilometers per hour, because if I go with a full speed, and I've just seen a video on Instagram like last days, if you go with more speed than you're supposed to, your truck is going to be like that. And trust me, you don't want to do this. And some of the truckers, they don't think about, maybe they don't know, I'm not blaming anyone, but the difference between this one and the normal one is I'm fully loaded even up on the top of the lorry. So yeah, that was the difficult part. From here everything's perfect. So even I'm loaded even on the last shelf, which is up there. So all the weight, if I'll go right or left, or yeah, it's not gonna be nice for me. So I'm not like a normal truck. I think you can see, no you can't see because of the sun. So I've got weight even on the top of the lorry. Well, not on the top of the lorry, but the top shelves from the lorry. So it's not like a normal truck where the weight it's based down on the floor and you've got the balance. I don't have any balance here. So it's more dangerous to drive a truck like this one than a normal one. So that's why you may see people that they carry turkeys or I don't know, any other birds, and they filled up until the to the top, so they can't go fast. Especially you can go fast, you can go on a normal speed on a normal road, but if it goes like left, right, no, you can't do this. You can't do this. So yeah, I've seen a video, as I said, and it was like, wow, it's not nice. Especially if you stay in the cabin and you see your truck is going, you watch the mirror and your truck is going left and right, you're not gonna be good. The feeling is bad. So it's a small difference, but for example, the highest speed I'm going is like 47 kilometers per hour when I have to switch the lanes on a motorway when they work. And I will have some roadworks on the way, and hopefully I will show you exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's the main street. They closed and work on it. So if I went straight to that street, I'll be here in like 2-3 minutes. But no, they work on it. You see right here on 290, they are working. You see, I'm fully loaded to the top of the lorry, and all this weight is bad. And I've seen some of the truckers, I mean the lorry drivers, they are so in a big rush, and I understand some of the companies, they push it to the limit, but that's not right. You just have to you just have to drive on the limit that you feel safe, and you know you have the control of the truck. And that's to the small cars as well. So if you're a beginner, don't push it more than you have control of it. Just stay safe, and that's the most important thing. I'm not here to teach someone how to drive or things like that. I'm not perfect too. It's like I do mistakes, of course, but I try to learn from them and yeah, keep going and be as mature in a thinking as you can. So to the motorway. I know this road because we have a lot of farms here, as I said in the last videos. This is the area with most of the farms that we have. But last week and the last 2 weeks I've been to new farms which are a little bit far away, and I was driving on the night, taken 9 hours, at least 9 hours of a break in a car park. That was nice because it wasn't hot outside. Even if it's hot, we have a AC in a lorry, so it's okay. But it was so cold, not cold, but you know that feeling when summer is finished and autumn is here and winter is coming. You can sleep perfectly in a cabin. That's nice. See, there's another colleague. Another farm here. There was another farm here, as I said. There's my colleague from a company. Definitely you have noticed how we load the trucks, so tomorrow back here, and I think we're gonna load from the worst, well, it's not the worst possible. I've been to places even worse than this building to load. It's one of them, definitely is one of them. On these small streets. Nice. 1 hour and 9 minutes to the depot, but the thing is I have 1 hour and 9 minutes to drive on the GPS and 1 hour and 10 minutes, I'm not sure if you see it, on the Tahoe. So yeah, let's see if I can make it. Well, it's gonna be alright. Should be okay, because the GPS, it shows me over here to go like that, where you see the blue line. So I'm not gonna do this, I'm gonna go here and I will save like 2-3 minutes, which is perfect. For tomorrow, I think I have enough. Yeah, AdBlue of course, and diesel as well. So tomorrow I'm just gonna hit the road, because yeah, it's gonna be busy on the time. It's gonna be a lot of traffic. Today I haven't got any traffic on my way to the farm because I left a little bit earlier, and it was 12 o'clock. It was nice. But tomorrow, because we load quite late, it's gonna be traffic around that time. What to 10 and 1 hour and 7 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna end up the video right here because I've got no batteries on my GoPro and I forgot the battery pack at home. So that was all for today. Hopefully I'm gonna make it with this time on a Tahoe. And until the next time, maybe I will record something tomorrow, but depends. But anyway, until the next time, thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for your almost 300 subscribers. And yeah, drive safe and be safe on the road, guys. See ya.